Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change main currency on Spendee. So first click on your Spendee app. Once your app is opened, you can close this and close this. Go over here to more, and now you should see here main currency. As you can see, when you tap on it, it's set the dollar for me, but you can set it to whatever you like right here. Just pick one and set it up just by clicking on it. It is really simple, and in order to change a currency in your expense, you will have to go over to your expense and then currency down here. As you can see, it is not clickable. So keep in mind, once you choose the currency, you cannot change it later. Just when you are adding new expense, you can actually choose a currency right here just for this expense. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.